How to change your name in Idle Heroes. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you're trying to update your profile name in Idle Heroes, then first of all launch open the Idle Heroes game on your device. Once you're inside this lobby screen, go ahead and click on your avatar at the top left corner. Now from the player info section, tap on the pencil button right next to your current name. Go ahead and enter your new name. If you want to change your name, you'll need to spend 200 diamonds. If you've got enough, you can tap on OK and your name will be changed. So that's it. That is how you change your in-game name in Idle Heroes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.